Cute ng bata-batuta ni mama. Ilduduying, ilduduying. Kalab-lab naman siya, baby. Uy, hi, Shongi. Oh, nag-beautiful eyes ang baby. Kayo ba naman nag-beautiful eyes ng ganyan? Naman ang baby. Understand Filipino. Understand Arabic. Understand English and French and Spanish. Right? Right, baby? Like Z and Maya? They speak Spanish and French and English and Arabic. And some of German. Because they go to school before also German. And Canadian. Ating, kong, kang, kong. Nagdodoying ng bibi ni mama. Nagdodoying na.